Most of the parents these days are not telling this to their children. Even the grandparents, they are also not telling this because they're forgetting or not realizing the importance of telling this to their children and grandchildren in developing their character. Yes, I'm talking about the beautiful, the wonderful art of storytelling. Please watch this video for the next 4 to 5 minutes so that you can understand or realize the importance of storytelling. My name is Kakulu Suresh. I'm a transformational life coach, and my mission in life is to transform the lives of 100,000 people. One day in the forest, there was a talking bird sitting on the branch of a tree. One farmer happened to walk below that branch where this bird was sitting. And the bird, since it can talk, called this farmer, "Hey farmer, where are you going?" Then the farmer said, "Bird, I'm going to the market." "Why?" "I'm going there because I have a tray full of worms, and these worms I want to go and exchange in the market for some feathers." "Feathers?" "Yes." "Do you mean these feathers?" "Yes." "Then let us make a deal," the bird said. "What deal?" the farmer asked. I will give my feathers every single day, and in exchange of these feathers, you give me some worms so that I can eat and feed my children." The farmer said, "Why not?" From that day, every single day, the bird used to give some of the feathers to the farmer, and in exchange, the farmer used to give some worms. And those worms, the bird used to take and eat them, and it used to feel that there is no need of me going in search of the food, flying all the way, searching here and there, and no need of doing all this hard work. Days passed on, and one day came in the life of the bird that it is left with no more feathers at all. All the feathers are vanished. There are no more feathers on the bird, and the farmer did not come. Then the bird wanted to fly and get the food for itself, but it forgot to realize that in the process of doing nothing and just sitting at one place enjoying the food, it has forgotten to realize that it has lost its ability to fly and search for the food. Even in life, we see so many people sitting at one place doing nothing, and whatever they are getting, they only eat and they will get satisfied. But one day in their life, they forget to realize that they will be totally shut down, and that will come only when you are not able to realize the importance of the qualities and the strength that you are given. There is a saying that God gives every bird a worm, but not exactly in its mouth, which means that a worm is there born for some bird, but it is not given directly to the bird by God. The bird has to start flying, and it has to search here and there, and then only that bird will find that food. How beautiful is this creation of God? Even for you and for me, there must be something reserved. There must be something hidden. There must be something preserved by God. And all our duty is to go in search of that particular thing, because when you search for it, you shall find it. If you really want to get more video notifications like this, please subscribe in the subscribe button and press the bell button, and also don't forget to share your learnings in the comment box below. Till then, take care, bye bye. I'll meet you again with a new beautiful video.